Hello, everyone. I'm Ollie, and I'm the lead technical program manager working across Canva's AI strategy. During Canva Create this year, we ran a series of workshops in the Learning Studio, an area devoted to getting hands-on with Canva's new features and tools. In this on-demand webinar, I'm going to take you through some of those sessions. Sound good? Good. And let's jump in. At Canva, we're redesigning the way you work, and there's no better place to start than with futuristic tools that are fun and easy to use. Let's start with this huge understatement. The last year has been seismic for AI. AI is transforming our world with individuals and businesses adopting the technology at an incredible speed. This interest has caused AI to become one of the fastest growing technologies of the modern world as it propels us into a new era of growth and possibilities. In fact, 73% of US companies are already embracing the future by incorporating AI into their business practices, which means that if you're not already using AI, you soon will be. Another study on the impact of AI on skilled workers found that it can improve performance by as much as 40% compared with workers who don't use it. But AI isn't just a tool for boosting business outcomes. It's a catalyst for your career growth and a key to unlocking your creativity. AI can really help you work smarter, not harder. In just a click, it can help you to remove creative roadblocks and design more easily, while improving the quality of your work and helping you stand out from your colleagues with eye-catching designs every time. At Canva, we launched Magic Studio in October 2023, which is a host of AI-powered tools to further empower the world to design. We have weaved our Magic Studio AI tools into every step of your journey, making groundbreaking technology accessible when and where your inspiration strikes, so you can accelerate your career with ease. In fact, AI had already been powering some of our most popular products. Our template recommendations are personalized using AI for nearly 5 years, helping people find the perfect content. And our magic recommendations also help find perfect elements that match your design. In December 2019, we launched our background remover, which magically removes the background of an image in a tap. And it's incredible to see more than 1.5 billion backgrounds removed since we released this. So join me on a journey to discover how Magic Studio tools can unlock your full potential while making your day-to-day work tasks a lot easier. Let's meet the features we'll be using today. First up, Magic Design is a generative AI tool that quickly creates designs based on your prompts. It's great for providing inspiration when you've got a creative block. Describe what you'd like to see or upload your media, and Magic Design crafts professional social posts, presentations, and even videos. It's the ultimate sidekick to boost your productivity, spark inspiration, and speed up your design process. Layouts allow you or your team to improve the quality of your designs. With the click of a button, you can rearrange the layout of manual designs to ensure they're on brand and consistent with the rest of your creations. Styles is your one-way click to turn any design into one that's on brand. Simply copy the style from a design you like, a design from your brand, a Canva template, or even an image. It's an easy way to achieve the style that you want in seconds. Magic Write is Canva's powerful generative text tool. With a prompt, easily create or edit text for any project, from a short social media caption to filling a page in a report. It also has the ability to generate text that sounds like you. Simply upload a sample of your writing, and you can use Magic Write to instantly create a new text in your unique tone of voice. It's the perfect way to overcome the blank page, increase your output, and make your words more impactful. Magic Media allows you to quickly generate high-quality AI images, graphics, and short videos from a simple prompt. Watch your words transform into beautiful graphics, images, and videos with Magic Media. You'll stand out with visual content that perfectly fits your project. Bring your designs to life with motion. No need for any motion design expertise. We'll automatically take your design and add personalized motion based on what's best for your design. Perfect for engaging your audience and encouraging them to keep watching with just one click. And finally, Resize and Magic Switch helps you to easily scale your creative work by converting it into new design types. Want to turn a presentation into a document or a flyer into a social post? All you need to do is choose from the many different options in Resize and Magic Switch. Don't spend countless hours rearranging designs for other mediums when you can do it in just one click. Let's walk through an exercise together that uses all the tools we've explored. I'll talk you through the tools as we go. To get started, please follow the link below, or if you're using your phone, scan the QR code. We'll use this design to try each of the tools. So let's jump in. Okay, so now we're in our learning play, and hopefully you'll be seeing the same screen as I am here. And you'll notice that this presentation, it isn't great. The layouts and styles, they're not ideal. So let's start with layouts. You'll probably notice that every page in design has a messy layout and the styles don't match Canva's brand. Layouts is designed to provide inspirational design ideas for your current page. The feature can be accessed by navigating to the Design tab and then selecting Layouts. From here, you can click Match Style to any brand, and you might want to choose an existing brand template that you have in your library, or you can select some colors and fonts which are associated with your brand kit. I like this one in my existing brand kit, so let's see what it can generate. In just one click, we've generated and given many options to updating and elevating the style and layout of our slide. I think this one is a winner, so I'm going to apply that to the current page. Amazing. I love the fact that it's brought those photos into a grid. I think it looks really good, and it's given hierarchy to our text. Next up is Magic Write. So somewhere else in the presentation, I am going to find some text that I'm not particularly happy with. In this case, key takeaways from Canva Create. Canva orchestrated a majestic gathering where over 50 speakers adorned the grand stage. I don't think that's really in the tone of voice of Canva or myself. So I'm going to go into Magic Write. And previously, we've set up our brand voice under custom voice, and you can do this too. I'm going to select custom voice, and that's going to use Magic Write to change the copy into Canva's brand voice. So what have we got now? Canva successfully hosted an impressive conference featuring presentations from over 50 industry experts on our expansive platform. I think that's much better. Now, did you know that you can transform any Canva design into a document? For our last design task, we'll convert this presentation into a summary doc. To try this for yourself, please navigate to the top left of the editor and click Resize and Magic Switch. Now select Transform into a doc. We now have a number of preset options to choose from, in addition to a custom field to write our own instructions. However, in this case, I'm going to request a summary to share with a busy colleague, and I'm going to use that by the preset option of Executive Summary. So in just one click, in a short moment, our entire presentation has been converted into a very short and light doc, which we can open and now see here. And what you'll see is all of that content from the presentation brought into a doc, neatly summarized for our busy colleague to consume in just a moment. I hope that these tips and tricks have provided you with a better understanding of how Canva can help you stay inspired, maintain brand consistency, and enhance your productivity. Now let's move on to the final session of the day. Okay, are you ready for the final session? It's a quick one, I promise. Of course, feel free to pause this on-demand webinar at any time and keep playing in Canva. Design was once a complex journey, navigated pixel by pixel with tools only the pros could master. Canva simplified the creative process by moving to objects where anyone could discover, drag, and reposition elements, unleashing their creativity and freedom like never before. In the age of AI, the world of design is full of fresh, boundless possibilities and solutions. However, navigating the sea of new tools, knowing what to use and when, it can feel like charting unknown waters. At Canva, our mission goes beyond just creating designs. It's about empowering each and every one of you to bring your creative vision to life. To do that, we've woven the ocean of design tools into one seamless experience, making it not just accessible, but a journey of discovery and efficiency. While creativity will always start with you, tools like Magic Write can help you unlock your creativity through brainstorming ideas and come up with new creative approaches. Our AI-powered photo editing and design tools like Magic Edit can help you to elevate your work with just a click or two, all of which will help you to stand out and leave a lasting impression on your colleagues with designs that inspire every time. Magic Studio combined all of the power of AI all in one place. This means You don't need to jump between platforms. Access AI that makes designing more efficient, creative, and streamlined in one place. Hopefully, after this session, you're ready to dive headfirst into the new world of AI, unlocking your creativity and producing your best work. So to wrap this whole webinar up, I'm going to give you a Canva design challenge in which you'll explore everything we've learned today. And today's theme is LinkedIn posts. Now, we have a template you can use to get started. Scan the QR code or navigate to the tiny URL. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, on to our design challenge, which is creating a LinkedIn post. Now, we've got some preset templates here for you to work through. There's some more below should you wish to play with them. But today, I'm going to start with this one here. So the first feature I want to use is Magic Write. The copy at the top is pretty bland, and I'd like to make it a bit more interesting for my LinkedIn post. To do that, I'm going to use Magic Write by selecting in the toolbar, and I'm going to use the More Fun preset. And in just a second, that's taken our bland title to something a bit more fun, a bit more in keeping with my own tone of voice. So I leveled up at the AI Masterclass hosted by Canva Create. I like that, and it fits perfectly. The next feature we're going to use is Magic Eraser. And we do this by selecting an image and clicking Edit. And you'll see Magic Eraser in the Magic Studio feature set. This will open our image. And now we have the new functionality of selecting Click rather than Brush. And what this does is it highlights all of the components of our design so that rather than tediously brushing over parts of the image, I can now click and select the exact part of the image I want to interact with. And I'm going to just erase that because we don't need notebooks. We've got a laptop in front of us, so it's redundant. So in just a moment, our notebook is now erased. The next photo editing tool I want to show you is Magic Grab. So similarly with Magic Grab, we also have this click functionality. We've already selected our components of our image, and I can select the phone and click grab. And what Magic Grab does is not only pulls the image out of the image, but it also fills in the background. So there's not this huge gap behind the image. So when I go to interact with it, which I will now, you'll see that it retains the yellow, it fills in the yellow background behind it. So I can now move this phone freely. I can expand it, I can rotate it, treat it like a normal image, and the background is being filled in behind it. So I'm going to bring that over here, allow it to pop out the image a little. Okay, the next feature I want to show you today is Magic Media. Now, Magic Media is accessed by going to the Elements tab, and you'll notice now we have this AI image generator. And we're going to click Generate Your Own. There's 3 tabs at the top. Today we'll be selecting graphics, and you can generate whatever you like here for your LinkedIn post. Canva has this thing with rubber ducks, which I don't fully understand, but we're going to run with it. And today I'm going to generate a rubber duck in a business suit, because I think that's bringing Canva and the LinkedIn theme together. And I'm going to select the hand-drawn style because it really adds a pop of color to our design. Click Generate. And what you'll see here is something that a graphic that will be generated that has never been seen before by human eyes in the history of time, which is a pretty exciting prospect. Let's hope it's good. First one, I mean, how do you choose from 4 absolutely perfect designs? I'm sure we can all agree that this one is an absolute winner. And although we'd love to bring them all in, we can only fit one. So I'm going to pop my corporate duck into the presentation. And I think that's the perfect spot for him. Okay, we're nearly done. But last and not least, we're going to use the animate feature. And we do this by selecting the background of our design. And you'll notice that animate pops up in the toolbar. I want you to select animate, and we have multiple animation options available to us, but we're going to let AI choose our animation option today. And we do that by selecting Magic Animate. The recommended style for us is digital, so let's go with that. And let's see what the final result is. Wow, I could watch that all day, but we don't have time, so we won't. Um, and that is our final design ready for LinkedIn. And we can share that by clicking share. And you can click your LinkedIn page if you want, and you can send that straight to LinkedIn as it's very LinkedIn ready. I hope these tips and tricks have given you a better understanding of how Canva and AI can help you to stay inspired, maintain brand consistency, and enhance your productivity. If you're keen to learn more, check out Design School on canva.com. It's full of tutorials and even a growing library of certifications where you can test your knowledge. Thanks for your time today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. I'll see you all very soon.